Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Ready to start selling your products on Instagram directly through Shopify? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through setting up Instagram shopping with your Shopify store, so you can reach new customers and drive more sales right where people are scrolling. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect your store and get your products shoppable within Facebook and Instagram. No headaches, no confusion. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is add the Facebook and Instagram app to your Shopify store. You'll find this app in the Shopify App Store. Just search for Facebook and Instagram, and you'll see it pop right up. Click to install, and follow the prompts. The setup is really straightforward. It's mostly just connecting your accounts and agreeing to the terms. If you've ever installed an app on your phone, you'll find this pretty familiar. What's happening here is that you're allowing Shopify to communicate directly with your Facebook and Instagram profiles, so all your product data can sync up. Take your time with this if it's your first time, and make sure you're logged into the right accounts for your business, not your personal profile. Once the app's installed and you've connected your accounts, you'll notice that Shopify creates something called a product catalog. This catalog is basically a list of all the items you're selling, with info like images, prices, descriptions, and more. To move forward, click on the Connected Product Catalog option. This button will send you to Facebook's Commerce Manager. Think of this like the control center for your Instagram and Facebook shops. It's normal for the page to take a couple seconds to load, so don't worry if you see a spinning wheel. Now, inside Commerce Manager, you'll see the option to add your products. This part is crucial because your shop can only display what you include here. If you have lots of products, take a moment to make sure your images look good and your descriptions are accurate. Remember, this is how potential customers will see your items. You can add products one by one, or if your catalog from Shopify is already synced, you'll see everything ready to go. If you ever get stuck or notice something missing, just refresh the page or go back to Shopify and double-check that your products are marked as available for the channels you want. Sometimes people overlook a tiny setting, so don't stress if it's not perfect first try. After your products are in the catalog, take a look for the Publish options, and you should see both Facebook and Instagram listed. Make sure you've ticked both boxes. This is what officially makes your products available to appear in Instagram shopping, and also on Facebook shops if you want that. When you're ready, save your changes. You might see a brief review period as Facebook checks things over, but that's totally normal. Once it's published, your products will start appearing in your Instagram shop, and you'll be set up for customers to browse and buy directly from your posts and stories. It really is as simple as that. And there you have it. Your Shopify products are live on Instagram shopping. Remember, the more appealing your images and descriptions, the better chance you have to turn that scroll into a sale. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with a specific part. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck growing your shop.